now let's continue where we left off. Okay, let me see. So I think join is basically joining what is it called? Joining all the quote expression into one quote expression. Is that it? Let's try that out. Other than first, then maybe I should name this as let's check with GTP. Break. You test 297. I don't think we can, right? Yep, okay. For display. Run. No. Okay. Display join. No, not that. have no idea yet at least. Really? I print count only one. Step, okay. Oh, wait. 297, right? This one. Next. Conto, okay. Info, okay. Cell. Let me take China. Cell. Right. No idea. Next. Okay. Print. Next. Return join. Let's add the breakpoint in. This 160. Okay. Continue. Next. Okay. So we are in for symbolic expression and then put in the result. Interesting. I mean, 50. Continue. Okay. Hit type. There is cancel. Or maybe not. Number 0. Oh. Okay. Number 69. Okay. Next, return another one. Tab. Like what? So 69. What about sounds instead. Okay. Tension. 103. Wait. So what about the F here? Or maybe let's try this one. Step. Okay, we go into the alpha join, and then no, I thought we are in the alpha join, but it seems like we are in the alpha pop first. Okay, next. Alpha join. Pin. 69, okay. China cell. Still. Okay, right. I can do that. Step. Wait, where is the breakpoint? Oh, okay. Step again. Okay, we are going into the alpha join. Wait a minute. Oh, okay. Next. Next again. Okay. Next again. No, not that one. Where is the 42? Right. Interesting. Step into the kanan. What is that? Okay, next for add. Next, okay. Okay. Next. So I use step instead. Maybe I should use step up, but then again. Oh, where am I from? I'm from Indonesia. And I should try RR. Oh, let me check RR. Is it in GTP? I mean, I cannot find the reference. Oh, thank you. I'm just trying things out. RR. Let me check. GTP RR. Yeah, I cannot. Oh, is this the one? I thought it was in GTP. Okay. Oh, no overhead. Sering almost nih. No, do I have RR though? Yep, let me check if it is exists. No, I mean, if I only use this, it will data logging and graphic. Oh, if I'm only using RR, it will show a lot. Alright, see you later. Maybe we will check out LR later on or on the next session, I guess. I am still not sure. But I think GTP have record. This is called programming GTP record. Am I a robot? Let's find out. So I click this. Okay, let's just click that. Bicycle or motorcycle? I am a robot. Okay, it turns out I am a robot. Wow, what an actual Indonesian. Oh my god. If I am still tonight from this, let's just abandon it. Alright, here we go. Okay. Oh my god. Finally. Oh. Okay. Wait, let me put RR project in the description too. Guess anyone want to see that? Then for future reference. Wait, what? Did I not copy the link? Okay, then give me a redirect URL instead. Oh my god. Classic YouTube style. Oh, by the way, in case you are curious, we are near the limit of YouTube description, which is 5,000 word or character, I guess. 5,000 character. So yeah, a little bit of an important information. Okay. Record or replay. Oh, okay. Record. Okay. I think we can use record. Info record, right? Oh. Okay. Info record. Can we use help record instead? Okay. Record bitrace, record delete, record full. Record. Okay. Save the execution log to a file. Record stop. Okay. So does that mean we should use record full and then record save? Is that how we use record command? Wait, okay. Go to instruction and the execution log. Record save file name. Oh. I'm trying to figure out for those who just join. Let me finish this. No. Okay. Alright then. No, not that one, but guess this one. So basically I'm trying this book, right? And currently I am in the chapter 10, which has a join functionality. Takes one or more quote expression and return quote expression of them conjoined together. Okay, and I'm kind of curious how the join mechanism works, So if I didn't use GTP and let's see 42 like this one. Okay, it will spawn like this. I kind of curious what is the process of joining this. Or maybe put this like this instead, right? To make a distinction. So this means we are evaluating this quote expression. Oh yeah, quote is using curly bracket in this case. There is a quote expression using curly bracket and symbolic expression using the bracket or the normal bracket. Is that the word? So we are evaluating this quote expression with use head. Basically it is like this. Head, right? What head does is basically took out the first element that we provide. So, and we can replace this with this instead. See, this is what basically list does. Okay, and so that's what eval is. We are evaluating head and then we are evaluating list, and it's basically turned out into this. So if we, let's say, okay, no, not that one. Okay, let's put that in the tmax. Basically we can replace this eval with head 42 69 42. Oh no, I think no, maybe something like this. Okay, yeah, we don't really need eval, I guess. 69 42 0. Okay, let me update the example. Okay. So I'm kind of curious what is the process, because well, we are using recursive function, which can be confusing to debug. And also alright, I use record to I mean, I'm still not sure how to use record. Wait, I'm still having this open. Okay. Record. Restore program state include external peripheral like the screen. If your program doesn't. Oh, okay. I've tried using reverse continue, but I think I can do that without recording. We could start the record. Reverse continue. It does not support this command. Okay. Continue. Okay. Now let's try this instead. Record. Record. Right. Function call history. Go to start for execution recording. Let's say record instruction history. No, okay. So it's mean we should record full. I thought there is record start or something. Okay. Start branch trace recording. What is branch GTP branch trace, if I can type correctly. Branch trace format. Okay, let's just try record full first. For record, instruction event log. Okay, continue. Okay, from no instruction have been logged, we have 433 instruction. Oh, interesting. Okay, wait, where are we can? We are in eval join. Okay. Oh, we are in this line already. Interesting. Okay. Let's try to print one. Cell. The num is 69. Okay. And what is the count? 47. Cell and then another cell. Cannot access. Okay. Interesting. Let's next, I guess, or step. Okay. We are stepping into the eval delete function and then returning it back again in the eval join. This one, file join, and then step again. Okay. Eval join again. Display v1. No. Display v1. No, like this, right? Yeah, let's just okay. And then step again. Oh, we are in eval pop, okay. We are in eval add, okay. Here is where we are currently, eval add. And then step again. Is there any change to the cell? I mean, print still cannot access, right? Yeah, I don't think there is any change. So what is eval add to? Yeah, reallocating. V1 cell. Wait. Okay, my bad. Right, okay, yeah. I kinda forgot that cell is array of pointer. No. See, okay. That's why I'm looking at. Wait, why is it still the same? Okay. Alright, and then we continue. Oh, program stop. Okay. Oh, wait, do we need to stop the recording? Process record is stopped and all execution log are deleted. Okay. So, okay, program stop. Alright. Okay. Should we take a break? I guess we should take a break first. Okay, hello everyone. How's it going? I'm still curious about RR, right? Enhance GTP. This kind of makes me wonder what is the difference between GTP record, like this one, right? GTP record and then NRR. GTP record versus is it a multi-thread application? Let's strictly answering your health green TRT. Okay. OTP. Let me share this in the chat in case anyone wants to take a look too. GTP process record. Okay. OTP. Can I load the web page? Okay. No, to cookies. Oh. Wait, undo. Yeah, play-kit test can be annoying. Especially if you are using a randomizer, you basically have no idea what the current data that we are testing. And it happened in real life, someone just using a randomizer, and then sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work, and we have no idea what's going on. If we can check what's going on with the play-kit test rather than using intuition, which honestly most of the time what I did. I'm trying to construct a mental model for the test, like what could go wrong with this kind of scenario, and then trying things out. And if I still cannot reproduce that, then let's try my luck on another play-kit test. What is it called? Play-kit test when it happened, right? Yeah, there's this time when someone randomized what is it called? Randomize an index of an array and did not limit the generated number and just passing the those numbers directly into the array. And guess what? We got out of bound error on the CI. Yeah, it happens. So, use randomizer wisely, because if you randomize everything and you might not know what data we are currently testing. And if we have no idea what data we are testing, how can we know that the test is correct? That is the question. Okay, anyway, this is one of the alternative to RRR, record and play. And this from this, what is it called? From this reference, GTP record mode does not support multi-threading. Oh, it's in 2020. Okay. Huge memory requirement. No. Okay. Let me go to the toilet first. Okay. Looks like the break session is done. Let me drink some tea first. Alright, let's continue. Okay, I want to try again. Guess not with record, trying out what happened with this scenario. Okay, because well, I set myself to explain this, right, for my future self and anyone looking at the code base later on. Okay, so run. Wait, what? Hold on a minute. Program stopped. So, are we really stopping the program? Yeah, that kind of confusing. Anyway. Join. Right. Wait. Okay. Alright. Joined. Let's print join cell 0, I guess. Oh, okay. 69, okay. And then next, okay, step into the what is it called? The alpha join function. Where is it? This one, right? We're stepping into the alpha join function, and the first thing in the alpha join, let me show you, is okay. Rather than alpha join, let's check the built-in join. This one, right? Okay, so basically before, okay, I'm trying to explain this just to make things clear for myself too, thinking out loud and all those stuff. So before we are entering the alpha join function, we are executing this function first, alpha pop function. That's why we are currently in the alpha pop, right? Then step again. Oh yeah, if we press enter, we will execute the previous command, which is step in this case. Okay, step again. Okay, we are basically get the result from this alpha pop, right? After that, we are entering the alpha join function. Okay, and then we are step again. Should I use step or next? Oh yeah, a little bit of information. If we are using step, we will go into the function, like either this one, alpha add, or alpha pop. But if we are using next, this line will be treated as a one line. So we are basically jumping to the alpha tail when we are hitting next. Okay, I kind of forgot to use record. help record. Okay. Function call history. Can we like using record function call history without starting the execution recording? Let's find out. Okay, no, we cannot do that. Let's to start either full or p-trace. And then there is this command called reverse, right? Okay, reverse next. Okay, let's try record full. Okay, where am I? Right, we are in this, I believe. Let's check this. Okay, and then we are using next. Okay, because we are still in the, what is it called, in the while loop, right? Print 0. Oh, right. Usually array in C is represent as a pointer, I guess. I mean, I've tried that out. Array in function, for example, when we pass array to a function, the array will decay into a pointer, which is a pointer to the first index, or in C, 0 index. It's kind of interesting. And also I've tried this out. Right, if we, let's say, play array in memory, the array, right, the representation of array itself is the 0 index of the array, the memory address, sorry, the memory address of the first, or the 0 index of the array. That's kind of trip me off. Or maybe another new beginner. Okay. This makes me wonder, can we like, okay, but what is it? No, just give a risk. Okay, okay, 1, right? 69, okay. No, not yet. And then we like connect or enter the function. I think maybe go into the function, print, wait, what? eval tail. Pin V2. Hold on a minute. We are ready. Okay, reverse. Next order step, I guess. Okay. Print V2. No, not V2, V1. Cell, okay. One, okay. Two. Reverse. Next. Backward execution from here is not possible. Oh, interesting. And where are we? In the pop. Alpha join 56. Okay, we are in this. In the at this one. Step eval pop, okay. Pin V2. Oh, yep. We are using value. So, okay. Wait. Okay, and then step again. Remove. Okay, what about the item? Okay. I mean, we are returning the item, right? The cell is null. Okay. Okay. Entering the eval app. Eval app like this one. Oh, let alone, okay. Yep, just to make sure. Step. Okay, let's check. Okay, looks like we can. Okay, we are entering the value of V2 into the V1 index. The new V1 index, okay. And then step we are 155. Okay, we are in this one, in the while, and then step again, alpha alter. Still cannot access that. Okay, step. Let's just do next. I don't really want to go into the delete function. Return. Okay. I don't think we updated this one. Okay. Let's just use step. But in join, wait. So the file that we encountered previously, this one, 61st. Oh, it is the file that in the join. Okay, that makes sense, I guess. Okay, the join change. Let's check this out. Cell. Okay, one. I don't think two. Okay, two have not been assigned a value yet. Hello, Articliva Java. I hope I pronounced your username correctly. Welcome. Okay, and then let's step again into the file join function. Okay. Oh, happy birthday, Alti. What am I doing? Okay, so I'm trying to learn about C programming language, and I found this book called Your Own Lisp. Let me copy this in the chat, or you can take a look at the description. Which, funny enough, we almost hit, what is it called? Let me put this in here. We almost hit the limit of YouTube description character. Right, I mean, I will update the description on every session. So there is that. So yeah, basically I want to learn about C and need some kind of projects. So, and fortunately enough, I found this book. Now I'm trying to create a simple Lisp interpreter. For those who didn't know about Lisp, Lisp is a kind of programming language. This one, it's basically Lisp processing, I guess. Honestly, I'm still haven't used Lisp, so I'm not really sure if what I did correct. But the point is, well, I want to learn C, rather than learning Lisp. Learning Lisp is just a side effect of reading this book. So there is that. So we kind of learn two languages at the same time, I guess. It's kind of fun, even though I'm still not sure if I am interpreting Lisp correctly. Yeah, it is just a Lisp processing. Let me copy this in the Wikipedia, in the chat. Oh, where am I from? I'm from Indonesia, and I'm not sure if you can see my status bar at the bottom. It is currently 6 a.m. in Indonesia, in the place I'm at. And I kind of like doing stuff early in the morning because there is less distraction, So I'm trying to kind of, what is it called? Document my learning process in case anyone wants to take a look or maybe wants to learn together, where I'm at, join. Okay, let's continue a little bit. Okay, we're in this function alpha pop, right? And then we step again. Okay, return item. Okay, let's check the item. Is it in cell? Okay, it is in cell at 42. So we kind of, what is it called? We kind of already executed. What is that? Yeah, I think that is gibberish. Okay, get the item address. Alright, and then we step again. We are back to the alpha join, right? And then what is the alpha join again? Okay, we are trying to add the item we got from alpha pop into the v1. Okay, let's check the v1 first. Cell, right? I think it's one. So, okay, step for add, And what alpha add does, basically we are adding the v2, this one, the struct v2 into the v1 cell. Okay, so in our case we are adding the 42 into the second index cell. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Where am I right now? Still on alpha add. Let's try print v1 cell. Okay, not 0 but 2. Okay. We got the 42. If it is 3, yeah, cannot access that. Okay, and then step again. Okay. Where am I again? Okay. But isn't v2 count ID 0? Wait, let me check. Okay. So we will exit the while loop after this. Yep. And then we go into the alpha tail. This line. Okay. And then I want to check the join. Print join cell. I guess. Wait, what? I'm not. Hold on a minute. Oh, I'm still in eval join. Okay. My bad. Step. Let's just next. Okay. Step. Okay, now we are in alpha. Join again. v1, right? It is input in join. Okay. Then step, I guess. One cell. Yeah, I think display will only print out if anything changes. You know, the display comment. I think, but yeah. Oh, or is it if it's time the program stop? Interesting. Okay. Maybe we can try that out on a simpler code base. Okay, and then let's, I think the count is 0. Okay, we will. Hello. Prakar Sarma. I hope I pronounce your username correctly. Hello, welcome. And then step. Hello, MX Trojan. What? Okay. Welcome. Step. We are in this one, right? In the alpha tail. TSP. Wait, what is TSP? I'm kind of curious. Is it related to Yes, I'm learning C. Tell me about myself. I'm not sure what I tell about myself. I mean, previously. Oh, okay. Okay, so previously I worked in web development. I'm focusing on the back-end stuff, like handling the database and creating API, other stuff. And now I'm on career break because I want to try out system engineering instead of system development, I guess. Like kernel development and maybe some graphic development too. And instead of the web development, and that's why I'm on career break. And currently I am trying to learn C first because I've seen a lot of kernel using C, right? So I want to learn C first, and maybe I can contribute to Linux kernel, maybe as a kernel janitor, if anyone ever heard. What is it called? Kernel newbies, I guess. Kernel newbies, kernel janitor, or just maybe just here it is. Wait, let me. Okay, this one, and copy that in chat. So basically I'm trying if I can, what is it called, clean up the Linux kernel code base, helping those kind of thing first, like the to-do list or something like that. So yeah, basically I'm trying to learn about the system programming stuff. And maybe after reading this book, maybe I will take a look at how operating system work, or I'm considering reading up this book, Programming from Ground Up. Wait, let me. This one, and maybe next time I will try learning from this book, Programming from the Ground Up. I will copy this in the chat too. Yeah, so I guess that's it from my introduction, I guess. Oh yeah, previously the database that I'm familiar with is the Postgres. In case anyone curious. Okay. Let's continue. Okay, we are in the join. Okay, right. Print join. What is it? Cell, right? Okay. There's no tree, okay. And then okay, step. Okay. And we are just free the memory. Then return join. Okay. Okay. Oh, I guess display will print out the expression every time we, what is it called? Every time we return. No, that's not it. Oh, every time the program stop. Okay. Alright. Yeah, we are stopping on this, but we are. Oh, when the program stop and the expression exists, or in this case the variable exists. Is that it? Okay. Delete first. Yeah, I should have just used next. Okay, we are going back to the alpha. And then println to print the function next. Okay. Okay, record stop. Finish. Single stepping. Interesting. Can we just continue? Okay, we can. Okay, interesting. Then, yeah, we don't really see the process of eval, right? Maybe I just skipping that. Okay, now let's try expanding this. Wait a minute. We create new some. Let's try something like this. 69 again. At the element into new quoted expression. And then let's say sign up and put that in some variable. Let's say China. Okay, I put this on new line into China code. Is it code or quoted, right? Okay, expression, and then add elements from this one into join code expression. After that we evaluate symbolic expression. Wait, no, not that one. Okay, that is interesting. Okay, interesting. I cannot use the key binding with. I mean, if I do this, no. I put this in here, let's say. Interesting. Oh, wait, that is for the code, I guess. Okay, I think I missed up some key binding. Mismatch. Okay, this one, copy that, and this one. Okay, with result in which have is that the word? We evaluate symbolic expression which okay, finally we step in join quote expression. Okay. Expression with elements and 69 42 0 69 again, right? This one, and then 42. Okay, we are ready. Let me check. We are at the okay, it will see. Okay, I think I can commit that. I'm kind of curious though. No, not that one. No. What is that? This is paragraph. Yeah, I mean, in case anyone never noticed, when we do something like this, and we use a round around double quote, VA double quote, it will also include the space before, right? So when we want to only select the double quote and something inside it, we can use V2I double quote. Okay, it's also, what is it called? Also works for single quote though. But the thing is that when we are using bracket, we cannot do that. We can just use VA bracket or curly bracket if you are using that. Yeah, so that's why I'm kind of confused, but it turns out I'm the one who forgot that the 2I operator in Vim only works for the quote, I guess, not the bracket. Okay, we are join. I'm just making sure. Wait, how do I? Okay, I'm trying to be consistent. And join. Okay, and I can just keyword. Okay, join keyword for quoted expression. Can use keyword to join up multiple. Let's try this one. If I remember correctly, it should not be working, right? Incorrect type, because this one is not a quote expression. If we do this, it works. Now we can use keyword join into, yeah, it can also work like this, I guess. Join, right? Quote expression inside quote expression. Now we can use keyword join to join up multiple quote expression into one. I'm still not sure the limit though. Yeah, there is this thing called, what is it, integer overflow. So maybe we will have an overflow if we are joined too much stuff. Yeah, I'm still not sure. Then now we can just keyword join. In mind that we can join, but yeah, I think if we are joining this, we should be fine, right? Oh no, okay, right. And when we are using a file, this one, let's say. Oh, okay, interesting. Belum. Pas incorrect. Oh, interesting. Oh, but the incorrect one is head, not join. Okay. So maybe we do this. Okay. So it's related to eval function. No, not does eval. Built in eval, right? This one. Let me finish this first. Giant expression. And not another some such as symbolic expression. Okay. We have a new exploration, I guess. GDP. What is it called? Record? No. Let me think. I mean, we have not break yet, right? Okay, maybe we should add break in this one. 279, okay. Break utils.c 279. Then run. No. Okay. Print value cell type. Okay, cannot access, like what? Okay, maybe continue. Oh, not continue. Okay, next. No, not that one. Interesting. Oh, right. Alright, we need to. Yeah, let's just quit. We need to recompile that. Break 279 utils 279 run no when value cell. Okay, interesting. Wait. Type. Okay. And then next. Okay, next, okay. We are in the built-in, okay. Okay. File. Okay. Wait. Next, I guess. In the file. This make me wonder though. Value cell 0. Okay. Type. Okay, next. Fit in eval. Okay. Mm-hmm. 45. Okay, let's try next. Oh, because of this. I mean, we cannot go back. Oh, okay. For installation next. Yes, sir. Num 69 alpha num. Info break del 1 break 97. Let's rerun again. Print value cell 0 type. Oh, okay. Next, I guess. Okay, I'm kind of curious. Oh, it is 1, okay. Next print I, still 1. Alright. Oh, no, I mean, it changed. Okay, from 0 to 1, alright. Value cell 1 I right type. And what maybe we can do this and then run again. Yes. Okay. Next. Okay. Alpha 6. Okay. Wait. Print value cell 0 what? 69. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, this one is code expression, and then inside this code expression is alpha num. Okay. But the thing is that this one considered a number, huh? Interesting. Num, num. Continue, okay. ASCII correct type. Now if we do this, to do it like this, right? Code expression. Let me check. Value cell 2. Okay. Cell 69. Now let's run again with this one, right? Next, I guess, print value cell I. Not really I. Okay, cell 0, 69. 69. Where is the 42? Or is it? Or is it? What is it called? Already evaluated. Yes. And let me try this. Next value cell. Oh, maybe it is already evaluated. Okay. No. Maybe. Alright. But the thing is that the cell type itself is code expression. Okay. need to add this too. Let's do it on the next session. I need to grab some food. Alright. Wait a minute. I guess that's it for now. See you next time. Bye bye.